Diving into the turquoise waters of Bora Bora sounds like a dream, but even paradise requires planning. Here are 5 mistakes you might be making when planning your adventure trip to this tropical haven. Firstly, don't let the weather rain on your parade. Bora Bora's rainy season could dampen outdoor activities. Plan your trip during the dry season, from May to October, to enjoy uninterrupted adventure. Next, remember to book those bucket list activities early. Snorkeling and hiking spots fill up fast, and securing your place not only guarantees fun, but might also snag you an early bird discount. Thirdly, luxury comes at a price. To avoid a financial hangover, set a realistic budget. Consider all-inclusive packages for a better handle on expenses, and book flights and accommodations early for potential savings. Don't forget, Bora Bora isn't just a backdrop for adventure, it's a culture to embrace. Learn local customs and a few Tahitian phrases to enrich your experience and connect with the island's heart. And most importantly, don't underestimate travel insurance. Protect your trip from the unexpected with comprehensive coverage, because peace of mind is the ultimate travel companion. Avoid these pitfalls, and you're set for an extraordinary Bora Bora adventure. With Far and Away Adventures, your dream trip is just a booking away. Dive into the magic of Bora Bora with us. Your adventure awaits. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.